Okay guys, I got some tar on my Chevrolet Tahoe. I rode through some tar. I just finished wiping down the front of it with this new product that I got. It's called Citrol, right here. Citrol. All right, it works really good. I'll put a link in the description. I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray this Citrol on here. You can see it's all on here. It's hard, it's nasty, some tar. I drove through somewhere, all the road construction in the area. But this stuff is pretty impressive. They're gonna spray it liberally on here. It smells like a orange Citrol, got a citrus smell. All right, so you can see it dripping. You can see it kind of dripping down right now. And it's just eating through that tar. But it's safe for the paint, apparently. So you can see it just dripping down. I'm gonna put some paper towels down here where it's accumulating. We get some fresh. These are heavy duty paper towels. Look at that, look at that. So we ought to have this cleaned up in just a second. Try to get it off this muffler, that's not as important. All right, I'll spray a little more. Some, lint-free cloths or whatever. I don't have any of those. So this paper towel is fragile on the paint, but tough enough to get it off. So it's coming off really well. This stuff does the job. A little elbow grease. Look at that. All right. Just a little more. Maybe one more time. Let it do its thing for a minute, for a few seconds. So where we were just 2-3 minutes ago to where we are now, a whole lot better shape. So I think one more good scrubbing on here, we should be good to go. Okay, so we'll put a before and after picture of this back part, but basically the front was pretty much the same thing. So if you've got tar on your vehicle, order a can of this Citrol stuff here. I didn't see it at the local car parts place, AutoZone. I didn't see it there, so I got this off of Amazon. It was around $20, somewhere in that ballpark. So try it out. Hopefully that'll help you. Thanks for watching.